Hello everyone, this is Pamela Stark from Sincerely Pam, and today I will be teaching you the linked double crochet stitch tutorial. For today's tutorial, I will be using Swish DK weight yarn from Knit Picks and an H hook from Furls. This is the Odyssey. You can use whichever yarn and hook your pattern calls for. To start, you are going to chain any number of stitches. For this example, I will start with 5. Then you will chain 2. You will insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and pull up a loop. Then you will insert your hook into the next chain and pull up a loop. So you have 3 loops on your hook. You will yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Your beginning linked double crochet stitch is now complete. For the next stitch and the remainder of stitches in this row, you will insert your hook into the horizontal bar in the previous stitch and pull up a loop. And then insert your hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook. Again, you will yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, to start your next stitch, you're going to insert your hook into that horizontal bar in the previous stitch, pull up a loop in the next chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You will continue to do this across the rest of your row. And there's your first row of linked double crochet stitches. To begin your next row, you will chain 2 and turn your work. And again, you're going to pull up a loop in the second chain from your hook, pull up a loop in your first stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 twice. Horizontal bar, pull up a loop, next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 twice. And you're going to continue again for the remainder of the row. And there's your second row complete. So once you are done, you will end up with a swatch that kind of looks like this. So as you will see, it looks the same front to back. And you have a nice dense fabric without a lot of big holes like you would get using a traditional double crochet stitch. So that is the end of the linked double crochet stitch tutorial. If you like this video, please go ahead and like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.